Hello everyone. So today we will build the best $1,650 PC build. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So for the CPU 7700X for around $250 off Amazon. It has 8 cores, 16 threads, also 5.4 GHz boost clock and 40 MB L3 cache, which is literally all you need for gaming. It's becoming the new mid-range CPU king. To cool it, we will use Gigabyte B650 Eagle AX-AM5 motherboard. It has an amazing VRM coverage, triple M.2 slots for your SSDs. It also has a M.2 Gen 5 slot if you do want to upgrade in the future. It also has Wi-Fi 6E. Price is $150 on Amazon. For the RAM, Clev Cross vRGB DDR5 32GB, 2x16GB, 7200 MHz CL34. We know that 32GB has become the new standard for DDR5. We know that there isn't much price difference between a 16GB DDR5 kit and a 32GB DDR5 kit. So if you are on DDR5, try to get at least 32GB 6000 MHz and CL30. But since we are doing a high-end build, we can bump that up to 7200 MHz CL34, which is more than enough. Price is $116 on Amazon. For the SSD, WD_Black 1TB SN850X NVMe M.2 SSD. Read and write speed up to 7300/6300 Mbps, which is more than enough. And 1 TB is the absolute minimum these days. Since we know most games are getting bigger and bigger in size, that's why 1 TB is the absolute minimum. Price is $78 on Amazon. For the case, Montech XR ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. 3x120mm ARGB PWM fans pre-installed. Also, it has a very beautiful fish tank look, and it supports up to a 4090, which is just insane. Price is $64 on Amazon. For bottom intake, get these Thermalright case fans as well. For the PSU, get the MSI MPG A850G, Sci5 and ATX 3.0 fully modular PSU. For the GPU, XFX Radeon RX 7900 XTX graphics card with 24GB GDDR6, 384-bit memory bus. This is easily a 4K beast gaming GPU, and for $850 on this sale. It's the lowest price I have ever seen for a 7900 XTX. Absolute steal. So yeah guys, that's it. See y'all later. Bye.